In this next lesson, we'll be covering the fifth description statement inside competency number 7. This one reads, the beginning teacher recognizes the similarities and differences between spoken and written English, such as syntax, vocabulary choice, and audience, and uses instructional strategies to help students apply English writing conventions and enhance their own writing. Great. Now, when I pause to break this apart, the meaning of this lesson that I noticed are these key words: spoken and written. Now, in this lesson, it's going to be our job to understand how speaking and writing in English can differ, and then know how to teach our students to use the proper writing rules in order to improve their own writing. If you're feeling nervous about this exam, don't sweat a thing. I've got a detailed plan for you. Let's start now. Spoken versus written English. An educator, a teacher, must recognize that while spoken English might tolerate slang and informal ways of speaking, written English, especially in academic and formal contexts, adheres to stricter conventions. Syntax in written English is often more complex, vocabulary choice may be more sophisticated, and one often writes for a broader audience than speaks to. Now, as a teacher, you're going to need a plan. So here's what we recommend. Strategies for effective instruction. We're going to use contrastive analysis by engaging our students in side-by-side comparisons of spoken versus written samples, and then ask them to identify the differences that they see and discuss with partners next to them. Next, you're also going to want to use interactive writing exercises in order to encourage students to transform informal spoken phrases into formal written sentences. This not only helps them to recognize the differences, but also allows them to practice the conventions of spoken English. Another strategy for recognizing the similarities and differences between spoken and written English is audience awareness activities. Here we want to craft activities where the students must adhere their written language based on varying audience types. For instance, writing a message to a friend versus conveying that same type of message to the principal. Next, we have error analysis that you can use as a strategy for effective instruction. In this case, look at some samples of students' writing and highlight spots where they've used casual, spoken style English where it doesn't quite fit. Remember, it's all about learning, so let's approach this in a positive way. Need to take the TExES core subjects test soon? Click the link in the description below to get prepared faster, smarter, better, with everything you need to pass all in one place. So your test results make you feel like this, and you become a certified teacher with a little help from teacherpreps.com.